You can be geodes in these, but I don't think so. But, oh, shit. Hey there, Rock fam. Today we're cutting open some Brazilian agates. We only got 3, so it's going to reach its climax faster than a virgin at a strip club. So do not blink. You might miss something, and you definitely don't want to miss me cutting open this big bad boy. Let's fire up the saw. We're going to go ahead and reveal what these rocks have been hiding for the last couple million years. Brazilian agates are known to have a lot of vibrant colors, including reds, oranges, grays, blues. We're going to go ahead and hopefully get some really banging colors out of these. I'm most likely going to slab them up unless I see something really awesome. Let's go ahead and see what this first one has for us. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got here. See what we got. Oh, I slipped. What do we got? Bam. Oh, some cool water level. Really cool water level, actually. I like those water levels. They're kind of nifty. Got some really good fortification bands going around there. Kind of weird how we got this like a little bit of orangish spot on there, but we cut the color. And up here does not have that orangish spot. They're definitely cool. I think I'll probably, most likely, slab these guys up because I think that makes some really cool pendants, actually. I think that makes some really badass pendants. I'm going to cut those into pendants. All right, next we got this guy. None of them have windows or any kind of indication on what's going on, so we're just 100% raw dogging it and hoping we get the best. So I think we're going to just go straight down from end to end on this one. Let's see here. What we got? What do we have? You can be geodes in these, but I don't think so. But, oh, shit. I'm not sure if you can see just how much depth that has. Let me see here. Let me try something. Oh, there we go. That's actually way better, even though we got piles of ring lights on in this damn room. Look at that. She pretty. She pretty. Lots of blues and yellows, and I like this one because it kind of has like a nice darker band there. That's really pretty. We're probably gonna slab this guy up too, to be honest. Probably gonna slab that one up too. We got this guy. He's huge. He's huge. I think we're gonna try just to go down the middle. It's gonna be a difficult cut. I'm gonna have to roll this rock. I have a brand new blade on here, and I'm trying to take it easy on her because I want her to last for a while, and I got some rocks to cut. You know what I mean? But let's go ahead and see what this guy does. See what this thing do.
Alright, so this here is the part of the video where apparently when I went to transition the camera over to the side angle, I hit record in slow motion. So I might sound a little bit like I'm a chipmunk or something, or, you know, took some helium, but just roll with it.
Alright. Okay, see what we got here. She's a biggin. She's a biggin. I had to roll this. This was not easy to cut. Bam! Oh, and she's so quartzy, though. She's so quartzy, though. If we wouldn't have cut it through the middle, we wouldn't have seen much of anything. Brazilian agates, you know, all in all. Hey, look at this for a minute. Oh, look at this. All in all, they're pretty cool. I mean, it's still all right. I'll probably have to cab it up, or slab it up. My bad. Slab it up. Because what else can I do with the damn thing? But yeah, all in all, these guys, in my opinion, are definitely the cooler ones. Big one was sort of a dud. Wasn't too bad, though. It's really pretty. I don't think I'm going to slab this one up. I think that I might just go ahead and polish this guy up. Because he's big. He has no fractures. So that's always awesome. But these guys here are definitely going to make cooler jewelry than that guy there, for sure. All right, thanks for watching, Rock fam. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, hit that little bell, you know, swipe right, hype us up, whatever the hell you can do. Just go ahead and do that stuff to help us out. We greatly appreciate it. And yeah, this was 3 Brazilian agates in 5 minutes. Deuces, Rock fam.